Hey friends, welcome. Check it out. I have my new easy postage printable, and this month we are going on vacation. So, really love the theme for this month. It's all about travel and memory keeping. So, if you're going on a summer vacation with your family and friends, then I hope you take a lot of photos, but more importantly, I hope you get those photos off your phone and do something with them. So whether you like to scrapbook or make mini albums, or maybe even make yourself a junk journal or a travel journal, you can bring your travel journal with you, do some journaling as you go, just so you can jot down some memories and some thoughts as you're traveling. And then when you come home, you have reminders of your trip in the moment, and you can maybe slot in some photos and have a little mini album or a little scrapbook that you can enjoy. So, if you're unfamiliar though, my easy postage printable, this one's called Adventure. It has been designed to be cut by Easy Wonder die number 3, which is postage themed. Now, nothing about this particular page looks entirely postage at all, but when you use the die to cut this out, the reason why this one looks so funky is because it's meant to be cut by the Easy Wonder die number 3, which cuts in this area a postage grid. And then these actually land in squares or rectangles that are meant to be sort of your postage stamp designs that you can layer right back into these grid locations. So I've made it super convenient so that you can get both the base of your postage grid as well as the little stamp designs that can get layered right back in. And then besides that, you have a couple of basic shapes that you can craft with, like the banner flag and some other rectangles. Now, along the outer edges of this portion here are a lot more designs, 10 in total. And the reason why I've added 10 is because your postage grid can actually fit 5 little stamp designs. And so I've given you 5 that can work in the landscape orientation and 5 that can work in the portrait orientation. And if you have it, then you can use the Easy Wonder die number 3 add-on set to cut out these individual images and then layer them back onto your postage grid if you want. So you would just want to die cut this section maybe a couple few extra times, and then you can get some more fun little postage stamps. Now, these images here are really fun to work with, and so what I've done is to just make it more versatile to craft with, and especially if you don't have the Easy Wonder number 3 die, I've actually given you 2 extra prints. So they both have additional pattern papers at the top, large enough so that if you wanted, you could use your Easy Wonder dies to cut them out. But what I've done is I took the 5 postage stamp designs that were portrait, and I collected them onto one of these extra printables. And then the 5 designs that were meant to work in the landscape orientation, I put them on the second printable. So that way you have all 10 that are surrounded here. They are replicated, but I've given them to you in full. So here's what I mean by that. If you look at, say, this image here with the camera, because this specifically has been cut or sized and clipped down so that it fits in a very specific postage grid location, that actually is meant to fit here. It's the medium-sized rectangle. And so when you layer your Easy Wonder die number 3 add-on die to cut that out, you don't really need all this extra bit surrounding it. But I've given you in the extra printables like the full postage stamp. That way you can clip it down however you would like. You can send it through your Brother Scan and Cut if you want to use the whole thing with your with the postage edge border. You can just cut it straight so that it doesn't have the postage edge at all if you prefer. So there's a lot of different ways that you can craft with it, but it is kind of nice to have the full image so that you can decide how you want to clip it down, how you want to use those images. And some of them, there's a lot more to the image. Some of them, maybe not so much, but it's really up to you to how you want to craft with it. Now, I actually put out 2 printable collections every month. This is the second one of the month. The first one was the Easy Card Making Kit, Making Memories. And if you happen to have picked up that kit, it is a larger kit, and it does include sentiments, which because they are themed the same, will work perfectly with this collection as well. I also like to keep the color scheme similar between the 2 kits. That way, if you happen to have picked up the card making kit, you'll have in that kit what I call my patterns in solids. So you get them in 2 colorways, blues and this sort of warm suede brown kind of color, and it's kind of like a golden tan, and these work great across both sets of printables. So you can see there's lots of this sort of golden color here in a lot of these vintage designs, and there's lots of blues throughout as accents, so lots of little hints of blue here and there. And this one has more the teals and greens, but in the little postage stamp designs you see a lot of blue skies, so it's going to work really great with the blue colorway here. So again, these patterns or solids are part of the Easy Card Making Kit, Making Memories. Both of these collections are available on my website now if you want to grab them. And if you check out inspiration from some of my crafty friends who have access to my printables to share inspiration with you, check out their videos, check out their inspiration on Instagram and Facebook. They always have a coupon code for a little bit of a discount. So definitely use their affiliate links, use their coupon codes. That way they get a little bit of a commission, you get a little bit of a discount, and everybody's happy. So if you're creating with these printables, let me see what you're making. Tag me on social media. You can tag me at LV Handcrafted on the 3 major platforms that I share to: YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. And I would love to see what you make. And of course, join me on Facebook at the Easy Wonder Inspiration Community Group on Facebook. That's where a lot of folks have been sharing their makes, and I love seeing that because you all inspire me, and I'm sure other folks are inspired by your creations as well. Thank you so much for checking out this video. I'm going to share some things that I've made with this collection so far, but I hope to have even more inspiration the rest of the month. Here is a little sneaky peek at a mini album that I made with an upcoming die set that will release at the Not Too Shabby shop. This is a really cute accordion hinge mini album, and it features papers from the Easy Card Making Kit, as well as a sneaky peek look at some of the papers that you'll find in the Easy Postage Printable that will release later this month. So I'm really happy with how this little album turned out. It's not 100% complete yet, so you'll see this if you purchase the die set, the Ultimate Accordion mini album die set. You'll have the option to add the masterclass to it, and this is the album that I teach how to make in that masterclass series. So if you want the papers, you can get that now, but if you want to see how this is made, you can check out that release when it becomes available on June 15th. Thanks so much for catching my video today, and until next time, happy crafting and have a fabulous day. Bye!